Meet Insta360 GO, the world's smallest stabilized camera. GO is made to move. Its magnetic body lets you shoot from your point of view. No bulky mounts, just hands-free shooting so you can focus on the good stuff. One tiny camera, 6 axes of stabilization. Run, ride, or dunk. GO keeps it smooth. Cinematic shots are as easy as walking. Capture stabilized hyperlapses on the fly. Tweak your shots in the app and turn heads. You can mount GO just about anywhere. Get creative or hand it off to a pro. When the day's over, just pop GO in the charge case and plug in to grab your footage. This is where the magic happens. GO uses AI to find your best shots and edit them together on beat. You pick the song, GO does the rest. Capture the highlights anytime, anywhere. That's Insta360 GO, the 20-gram Steadicam.